Hello my dear subscribers, today our video will be about when you're supposed to be out, when you're going out and you need to eat something and you really don't want to go out of the keto. You want to still remain at least little bit on the diet. Maybe this outing in the restaurant may knock you out of ketosis, but never mind, you still have some option to stay without carbs. So let's see in our restaurant where I'm bringing you now what options we can have for our food out. So we are choosing today this place. You all know it very well, and let's see what we can find here for our keto food. So darlings, let's say you come in one restaurant and you have menu in front of you, what you will be choosing, and you are a keto person and you don't want to cheat on your keto diet today, but you still with your friends, you still going out, and I want to show you that there is a lots of option when you are really motivated and you are really taking this diet like a religion. Anywhere you go, you can still afford yourself to stay on keto, not to go off keto at all. So for example, if you are coming to the place where you can order something which will be matching to keto diet, what it can be. Let's go through the menu. So usually, sometimes if we put obstacle in our brain that, oh, I have to eat out, so what will I be eating? If you're really motivated, you may skip the things which is not keto and you may concentrate on the keto. So let's say salads. You may choose salads, but if you are not sure that dressing of salad is not having sugar, you may not order dressing. You just have a salad. And in some restaurants, you see what we have. We even have meal for the carbs conscious people. So you can order chicken. You can see what is the menu with salad. It can be grilled, and of course in this meal you won't be able to have right amount of fats, but still you don't need to order something which is containing clear carbs. Of course you don't need to order desserts and ice creams, but you can find something which will not make you to get out of the keto system. Let's see what we will order. So actually it can be very easy if you really motivated. You just need to avoid carbs, and sometimes when you are having sauce for the salad, it may contain sugar in it, so you have to be careful about it. And when you are ordering grilled chicken or grilled fish, you have to just mention that they should not use any sauce on it which containing honey. And so you can order your coffee. Of course there will be option to use sugar and not to use sugar. You don't need to use sugar. You can take a small butter which is sold which is 7 grams, which is sold in a small square packets, which we are the same butter which we may found when we travel in aeroplane. A small tiny square of butter. You can carry it with you in your bag, and when you order your coffee, you just throw your piece of butter in that coffee, and because coffee is still hot, you mix it and you will already have your amount of fats with your coffee. Actually, I did a mistake. When waiter came to me, I forgot to request him not to put any sauce in my burger, and not to put any sauce in the salad, because mostly you may have a green salad with feta cheese, you may have garden salad, country salad, whatever salad is available, but the problem is only in sauce or in mayonnaise which they are providing. because of course that may have sugar. So I forget to ask them not to put anything. Please don't do this mistake. And if this kind of outing, eating out, it's not going to happen every day. So if ever you have no any choice, that instead of eating food which will knock you totally out of keto, you can have such options. Like you may choose normal food, but you don't eat bread in that food. You can have chicken, salad, and you can order vegetables. So let me try to see my bill. So darling, look what happened. Look what has happened. I have ordered pumpkin and spinach. It's a vegetables. Of course, they did not cook it on the butter which we supposed to eat, but at least it's vegetables. At least it is an option of vegetables. Then what else I ordered? Look, usually this salad supposed to be in the burger there, but I tell them to bring burger and double burger and 2 chickens separately. And the mistake what I did not notice, which I was not aware that they have put the sauce, and most probably this sauce is having sugar in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wipe all the sauce from the burger. So I'm taking and wiping the sauce from the burger. I don't need sauce. I'm wiping sauce everywhere. And I don't need bread. So finally I have 2 pieces of chicken. I have 2 pieces of chicken here. I don't need burger. I can remove burger. I'm not interested in the burger. I will have 2 pieces of chicken and I will have salad. But again, salad, they have placed the, I don't know what is that sauce. So we need to just mention that we don't need any sauce. Neither we need sauce on the chicken. So bread I am removing from here. I don't need bread. So I will have this food. I will have 2 pieces of chicken which I can wipe the sauce away. Then I will have salad which I need to remove this sauce also, or you just mention to them not to put sauce on your salad. And I will have pumpkin and spinach. So like this we can manage to stay in keto. Thank you for watching.